The mean, median, and mode of 5 numbers are equal. The numbers are 7, 8, 10, and 15. What is the fifth number? So para sagutan yung ganitong type ng problem, kapag nakita nyo yung mean, median, and mode ay equal, ang shortcut para dito ay kuhanin lang natin ang mean nitong given na apat na numbers. So kunin natin yung mean or yung average. Okay, so kunin lang ang average nito. Ang formula ng average, x bar ay equal sa summation of x, or ito yung total ng apat, and then divide kung ilan sila. Ilan sila? So apat. So therefore, ang fifth number ay 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 4. So therefore, we can solve this mentally. 7 plus 8, so this is 15, and then plus 15, that is equal to 30 plus 10. So we have 40. 40 divided by 4, that is equal to 10. The correct answer is letter C, 10. Follow for more.